I will be presenting the international human rights law, these obligations that Belize has to the United Nations and the American Organization of American States regarding human rights, in particular women's rights, through the Convention of Elimination of all forms of discrimination, all forms of discrimination against women, and also the Convention against violence against women. It's important, like the humanity are integrated by women and men. We are 50-50, so in order to live in a more equal world, we have to be equal in rights and we have to have equal opportunities. It said that, okay, there is no more discrimination against women because the women can access to the political rights in this kind of spaces. But the truth is that the women are fighting against centuries of women discrimination and assuming gender roles that give power to the men and weakness the women. So it's very interesting for me that it's a thing of to be fair, to be equal between all the people in the world.